Good evening everyone. So I'm just doing a quick video to review a natural set I was sent by Instasmile and to compare them with the straight set that I already have. Now I will attach pictures of the straight set that I already have because unfortunately I've misplaced them. But I have the natural set with me right now. So I'm going to pop these in. I'm going to give you a quick look of them and basically tell you which ones I prefer and why. So I'll pop this top one in. So they've just clipped in. I need to get used to them every time I put them in my mouth. So, so as you can see, like naturally these shape of my teeth are quite pointed because I've got very pointy fangs. But for a natural set, they're not actually that bad because I don't really like my normal teeth. But with these in, they actually look quite better than the straight set, because the straight set they seem to be like a bit more bulky and a bit more thick, whereas these are really thin and they're not as tight when they're clipped in either, because usually they the straight set were quite tight and it ends up aching the bottom of my gums. But yeah, these ones are a lot better. They're not as thick and they're easy to put in. They're a lot more comfortable, and I just think I should have really ordered a natural set in the first time I ever purchased my Instasmile, because I did get the straight set thinking that I'd like my teeth a lot better. But in all honesty, I think the natural set look a lot better. I'm sorry, the camera's shaking because I'm sat on the bed, so apologies. But yeah, they're a lot more comfy. And they're not so tight as well, which is good, because I didn't really like the gum. That's a part I hate doing, is taking them out because of the dribble. But there you go, nice and easy to take out, and I've got lipstick all over now. Just wipe them. But as you can see, my natural teeth or my fangs stick out, and you can see here that they've gone with the shape of my natural fangs, which I sit like a lot better. So overall, I think the natural set is a bit more something that I personally would wear a lot more over the straight set, just because they're a lot more comfy and they just look a lot more nice. Even my parents noticed the difference between the straight and the natural, and I didn't tell them which one was which, and they all said they preferred the natural set over the straight set, which is always a bonus. So thanks Instasmile. I mean, like, I'm always impressed. Like, I've been impressed since I first purchased with you guys, so I knew I'd be impressed anyway. But I'm going to show you again the natural set. I have to think which way they go. And I'll attach some pictures for you guys to look at, so you can have a little look and compare yourselves. But thank you for watching, and I hope this has helped.